Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, October 13. The time is around 12:15 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the S&P. This is SPX, S&P 500 cash. We can see we ended wave 3 here and wave 4. That means we are currently within the wave 5, and within wave 5 we are looking for a 5 waves subdivision, in which we're still looking for further downside before finishing up this 5 waves. So once that 5 waves is complete, you can see we will end with A in the larger time frame, and we should be getting a bigger 3-days rally in the P to finish to correct the entire 5 waves down before going lower again. If we zoom out a little bit and take a look at the daily, so here's the daily time frame. We got this all-time high on January this year. This is January 2022, and then we can see from here we continue to make a lower low sequence here, and so far we have this 1 2 3 4 5 swing, which is a bearish sequence. So over here what we can do here is we can basically put this, if I draw a trend line, or if you look at the RSI momentum, this is very clear. From the peak here you see it breaks out, right? So this is the same cycle and this is a new cycle, so that means this is the same cycle, this is a new cycle, and then because you already have 1 and 2, and then you see it breaks again below the low, so then you got a lower low here. And you can simply measure the extension and you're projecting it to at least the 100%, which is 3142 target on the downside, right? So that's first thing. So it has a bearish sequence. Now number 2 is that if we copy some of the labels here, this 1 2 3 4 5, in which this is a 3, this is a 4, then you can see if this is 3 and 4, you can kind of guess where's the 2 and 1, and then we should be ending 5 here after we finish up the leg down, and then once we finish, that should be finishing up the A leg here, right, with A here. So then we're talking about this cycle that started from August 16, right? So from August 16 we got 1 2 3 4, looking to finish with 5 now, and once we finish that we should be getting a 3-days rally like this, ABC, right, correcting this entire August 16. That should be a B, right? Before then we go down again to resume the sort of the sequence that started from January 2022 here. Okay, so that's basically the idea. Shorter cycle can see a bit more downside, and then from there we should be ending the cycle, and then we can see 3-days rally. Now, is this bullish? For example, just because we are showing this, is this bullish? Is the answer is no, because the larger time frame remains bearish sequence, right? Now near term we could see a little bit more downside, no doubt about it, as long as we don't break above 3,800. Now if we break above 3,800 though, then that means we finish 5 of A here and we already start the P rally. But for now we're still calling for a little bit more extension lower before we finishing up 5 of A and then see the bigger rally. But bottom line is, any rally, because of the bearish sequence, any rally, if you see any rally anytime from the low, that should fail, right? And there are 2 ways to fail: either fail against this and continue lower, or fail against this. If fail against this, then that means we started the bigger rally already in the P, but that should still fail here, fall for the downside. So any rally should fail in 3 7 11 swing. Okay, so that's the idea. And if you do want to get more updates, regular updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and we cover not just the indices, we also have stocks, cryptos, Forex, and commodities as well. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.